Hi, thanks for joining us today. We're going to be working on a project with the DIY Stool and some American Paint Company products. And I just love this because if you are needing just some time to create, you can whip up one of these kits and use it anywhere in your home. I love the idea for this stool to be used just on my counters around the holiday time. And so in this kit, we put it together, and then on the top I used American Paint Company's Fireworks Red, and I thought it would look a little different, neat, just to paint only the top. And so then I used the stencil that we carry on just the top, and I used some of the Cannonball black paint just to paint in the pattern. And then so you just want to make sure that the stencil is taped down. I use like the frog painter's tape. You can use whatever you find, and then when you take off the stencil slowly, you want to do it when the paint is still a little bit wet. And then you can touch up and get any of the spots that maybe might have bled underneath or kind of smudged a bit. I like to do that with a Q-tip. I just get the end of a Q-tip just a little bit wet, and then I can do any touch-ups. And then what makes the imperfections awesome, I feel, is if you take like a palm sander and just go around the edges and just kind of blend in maybe some of the parts where there might have been some mistakes. And it just gives more of a finished look to it once it's sanded. And then in this project, I just took some of the American Paint Company black wax, and I went over the whole top, and I also did the bottom just right on the raw wood. And I love how the wax looks straight on raw wood. Anyways, that was the project that I did today, and I hope you take time to create.